Hi, Jonathan Pickup. I've been asked by a client how to calculate this window, this one on this side, to be like this one and have it exactly match the slope of the roof. Well, the answer is you need to calculate the slope of the roof. I did that using Google. You need to use tan. This is trigonometry, I'm afraid. So the tan of the angle times the width will give you the height. So when I go back to this window here and I check the settings, what we end up with is some settings, and we put in the rise. We calculate the rise using trigonometry. We put that in, we get the height, put all that information, and we will get this roof here with the slope that matches the roof. So it's really making sure that you have the rise relative to the width. That's what tan will do for you. And then you put that in, and then you'll get a window head that exactly matches the slope of the roof. Hey, if you like this movie, become a member on my website. I made a much longer version of this movie where I actually went through in detail and I did some sketches showing exactly how to calculate that slope and how to figure out the angle and everything. Thanks for watching.